Lions are the king of the jungle. But did you know not all the lions live in the jungles? From their powerful roars to their secret survival tricks, here's everything you need to know about the lions. Lions are mostly found in Africa, but a small population of Asiatic lions live in India's Gir forest. Unlike their African cousins, Asiatic lions are smaller and live in smaller prides. But how big are the lions? Well, male lions can be up to 10 feet or 3 meter long and can weigh up to 500 pounds. But female lions are smaller, but they are very powerful. The average lifespan of a lion is around 10 to 14 years in wild, but in captivity, they can reach up to 20 plus years due to better care and no predators. Unlike tigers or leopards, lions are the only big cats that live in group called prides. A pride usually consists of 1 to 3 dominant males and up to 15 lionesses and cubs of all ages. It helps them hunt larger prey together and they can defend their territory better from rival lions or hyenas. Male lions fight for a dominance, and a new male may take over a pride by challenging the leader. Unfortunately, when this happens, the new leader often kills the cubs of the previous male. But did you know that, surprisingly, lionesses do most of the hunting, while the males protect the pride? But when there's a big meal, the males eat first. Lions are not fast runners. They can only sprint up to 35 miles per hour for short distances. Instead, they use stealth, teamwork, and ambush tactics to catch their prey. Lions generally hunt zebras, wild beasts, buffalo, and even giraffes. They can eat up to 88 pounds of meat in one meal and then can go days without eating. And did you know that a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles, which is 8 kilometers away? It is used to warn rivals and communicate with their pride. But apart from this, lions are quite lazy. They rest around 16 to 20 hours a day to conserve energy since hunting requires short bursts of intense effort. Sadly, lion populations are declining due to poaching, habitat loss, and conflicts with humans. From over 200,000 lions a century ago, now only around 20,000 remain in the wild. Conservation efforts are crucial to protecting these magnificent big cats.